Hi kids, today we are going to learn some magical words called adverbs. Adverbs make our sentences more interesting. See the sentence, the boy runs. The boy runs quickly. Runs is the action verb and quickly is the adverb. Adverbs are words that tell us more about a verb. She sings. How she sings? She sings beautifully. Sings is the action verb and beautifully is the adverb of manner. Next one, we eat. When we eat today. Here, eat is the action verb and today is the adverb of time. Next sentence, the cat sleeps. Where the cat sleeps? The cat sleeps here. Sleeps is the action verb and here is the adverb of place. Next one, he smiles. How often? He always smiles. In this, always is the adverb of frequency and smiles is the action verb. Types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner like quickly, slowly, happily. Adverbs of time today, yesterday, now. Adverbs of place here, there, outside. Adverbs of frequency always, never, sometimes. These are all types of adverbs. Now we'll do guessing game. Now I'm going to show you some pictures. You are going to tell me the adverb. How is tortoise walking? Slowly or quickly? Yes, you're right, slowly. Slowly is the adverb of manner. Next one. When he went to work today or sometimes? Yes, you're right, today. Today is the adverb of time. Next, where is taxi waiting? Outside or beautifully? Yes, you're right, outside. Outside is the adverb of place. Next one. How often they play board games? Sometimes or yesterday. Sometimes is the correct answer. This is adverb of frequency. So kids, adverbs are words that tell us more about verbs. They answer how, when, where the action is done.